they are tracking down a terrorist. However, as they delve deeper, they unexpectedly stumble upon a politician's residence. This surprising twist prompts them to pause and reassess their mission, shedding light on the intricate and often unpredictable nature of intelligence work. As days turned into nights, the agents remain vigilant, observing several suspicious activities that unfold around the area. They notice armed individuals, and a growing sense of urgency takes hold. This discovery suggests there may be a far more profound connection to terrorism, heightening the tension and caution among the agents as they navigate this intricate web of danger. Then, a breakthrough finally arrives. One of the agents catches sight of a key terrorist for the very first time. This moment is electric, as it provides critical evidence that could make all the difference in their operation. It underscores a powerful lesson about the importance of persistence in intelligence gathering. Sometimes, success is just around the corner after a long, arduous journey. An urgent meeting materializes at the White House, filled with key figures, including the CIA chief William Berners and President Biden himself. They gather to review substantial evidence regarding the whereabouts of a man named Zawahiri. Together, they dive into discussions about addressing the looming threat he poses, emphasizing the serious nature of their mission. As the discussion progresses, a spirited debate arises among military officials. They weigh the best approach to eliminate Zawahiri, carefully considering the risks associated with a traditional airstrike against the potential for civilian casualties. The stakes are high, and everyone recognizes the need for a precise method that minimizes harm to innocent lives, becoming a central concern in their strategy. In a moment of innovation, the proposal of using a ninja bomb launched from a drone emerges, aiming to strike at Zawahiri while minimizing collateral damage. This creative tactic marks a notable shift in their counterterrorism operations, showcasing the evolution of strategies designed to ensure both effectiveness and responsibility in combat. Reflecting on Zawahiri's early life reveals a promising young man with aspirations of becoming an eye surgeon. Yet, in the 1970s, he veered onto a darker path, embracing extremist ideologies. This transformation represents a pivotal shift in his life's journey, laying the groundwork for the dangerous legacy he would ultimately create. As we dive deeper, we find that Zawahiri's involvement in high-profile attacks, such as the assassination of Egyptian President Anwar Sadat, dramatically escalated his notoriety. His shocking activities captured the attention of international security agencies, amplifying the urgency of addressing the threat he posed to peace. The formation of Maktab al-Khidmat by bin Laden and Azam marked a critical moment in the rise of organized terrorism in Afghanistan. Zawahiri's alignment with this formidable group not only solidified his role in global jihad but also highlighted the increasingly sophisticated networks that were emerging in the fight against civilization. Zawahiri's impact on Al-Qaeda was significant, orchestrating several major attacks that led to immense loss of life, including the tragic 1998 US Embassy bombings. His leadership undeniably solidified Al-Qaeda's notoriety, making it a name that echoed through the corridors of global security discussions. After the death of bin Laden, Zawahiri stepped into a pivotal role as the commander of Al-Qaeda. He continued the organization's legacy of violence, launching attacks such as the 2015 Charlie Hebdo incident. His leadership was not just a title, it represented persistent threats to global security that kept the world on high alert. The US government's effort to eliminate Zawahiri in 2022 serves as a poignant reminder of the ongoing battle against terrorism. His death was not merely an event, it was viewed as essential for restoring peace and safety across the globe, a goal that so many families yearn for each day. To achieve their goal, the CIA employed a technique called pattern of life, diligently mapping out Zawahiri's daily routine. They identified that his balcony visits at 6 a.m. offered a critical opportunity, painting a picture of a strategic plan unfolding beneath the surface. As the video unfolds, it captures the tension surrounding the drone's approach, with the ever-present potential for Taliban counterattacks looming overhead. The stakes couldn't be higher, as we witness the challenges faced by those tasked with this vital mission, a reminder of the complexities of keeping families safe. In Zawahiri's final moments, the video paints a vivid picture. He realizes his impending death as he mistakes the drone for rays of sunlight breaking through. This poignant moment leaves us reflecting on the fragile nature of life and the immense stakes involved in their pursuit against terrorism. The drone strike that ultimately eliminated al-Zawahiri exemplifies the role of advanced military technology in counterterrorism efforts. It showcases the precision and effectiveness of modern warfare, a crucial component in the relentless fight against those who threaten our peace. In a heartfelt statement, President Biden reflects on the ongoing struggle against terrorism, emphasizing that while key figures may be eliminated, the ideology and networks persist. This enduring fact calls for continued vigilance, a theme that resonates deeply with families everywhere, who strive for safety in their communities. Lastly, The transition of leadership to Saif al-Adil serves as a testament to Al-Qaeda's resilience. Despite the loss of their previous leader, the organization adapts and continues its operations, reminding us that the fight against terrorism requires unwavering commitment from all of us if we are to protect our loved ones and our future.